Hi, boys and girls. Do you know how to use 打 in Chinese? Yesterday, my student Daniel told me in class, 我昨天踢球到树上. I knew that Daniel wanted to say he kicked the ball on the tree, but he didn't express it correctly. So I taught him that the correct way to say it is 昨天我把球踢到了树上. Many of you may not understand and why I have to use 把 in this sentence. That's fine. Today, we will have a small quiz about how to use 把 and I will explain the reason for each answer. First, let's try to change those two sentences to the 把 structure. The answer is 我把苹果吃了. Have you done it right? Okay, let's see why. In this sentence, 吃 is a verb and 苹果 is an object. The word 把 is placed after the subject 我 and the word 把 can put the object before the verb, which is in accordance with this structure. Okay, let's see the next one. The answer is 云把太阳挡住了. Is your answer correct? Okay, in this sentence, 云 is the subject and 太阳 is the passive object. The word 把 is placed after the subject 云, and the word 把 can put the object before the verb, which is also in accordance with this structure. This sentence is to emphasize that the sum is something that is blocked. Okay, have you learned how to use 把 after those two sentences? Let's try to translate this sentence in Chinese. The answer is 我把书放在桌子上. In Chinese, 我 means I, 放 means put, 书 means book, 在上 means on, 桌子 means desk. The verb 放 is the predicate, and the noun 书 is the object. According to the 把 structure, the correct sentence is 我把书放在桌子上. Okay, have you learned the 把 sentence structure? Let's try to rearrange those words to form a correct sentence. Okay, let's see the correct answer. 小猫把杯子打碎了. In this sentence, 小猫 is the subject and 杯子 is the passive object. The word 把 is placed after the subject 小猫 and the word 把 can put the passive object before the verb. According to the 把 sentence structure, the correct sentence is 小猫把杯子打碎了. Well, after we learned how to use 把 in Chinese, now let's see how to express do not in the 把 sentence structure. Can you change this affirmative sentence to a negative one? 姐姐把窗户打开了. Well, the answer is 姐姐没有把窗户打开. In the original sentence, 姐姐 is the subject. 窗户 is a passive object. It means the sister opened the window. Usually, the negative word of a negative sentence is placed before the verb. But in a 把 sentence, the negative word is placed before 把. In the sentence, the negative word is 没有, which means don't. So the correct sentence is 姐姐没有把窗户打开. Do you understand why we have to use 把 in some sentence now? You are so good to finish the entire quiz. Go and use it. I believe you will gain much progress in Chinese.